Hello guys, so you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinoso, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make money with your Instagram. So you can see my Instagram account right here. This is a very new account, less than 1,000 followers. I started pushing this in the month of October. We are currently in the month of November. So just in a month that I did all this, I was able to make 25,000 naira using my Instagram account. So you can see this is my account right here. I didn't really do much, just the usual content. Can you see that? And this is the money I made right here. You can see the receipt right here where I withdrew the money. Withdrawal initiated, and it was sent right to my account. You can see 25,000 naira sent to my OP account. And if you look at my screen right here, you'll see the receipt that it arrived in my OP account. So I'll be going straight to the point to show you how you can make money using your Instagram. This will be a very clear and concise video. I won't talk too much. I'll tell you what works so that you can go and practice it and start making money for yourself. So for you to make money with Instagram, there are some things you need to put into consideration. You want to consider going into a niche that is very profitable. You want to go into a niche that is really trending. You don't want to go about selling a product that people will not buy from you or something that people are not interested in. So for you to go about searching or discovering a niche that is trending, what you need to do is just simply go to a platform called Google Trend. So I'll go to my browser right now and I'll search for Google Trend. So right here, I'll open this link. Can you see Google Trend right here? So here you get to discover and see what is trending. You can see explore what the world is searching for right now. So ideally, I've been hearing that people are looking for how to make money online and people are looking for how to make money with affiliate marketing. So for me to confirm if it's trending, I'll just search for it right here and see if people are actually searching for affiliate marketing. So anything you wish to search for, just come over here and search for it. If it's trending, you see the result here. And if it's not trending, it means you should just dump the idea and search for something else that you want to do. So I just click on explore and it will bring out the results of affiliate marketing in Nigeria. You can see right here, this is Nigeria. Any country you are in, you want to switch it to your own country and see the results pertaining to your country. So this is loading, right? And let's see what we have right here. All right, so you want to switch this to 30 days and see if it's truly trending because it's currently on 24 hours. So once you come to 30 days and you see the results in 30 days. So let's come and search again. Can you see, guys? Can you see? It's really trending. So each day, a lot of people search for affiliate marketing on the internet. Can you see? So this is the trend of affiliate marketing. So you can see it's even rising over here. Can you see that? If you want to go into any other niche, you can just come over to where I search for it and you also search for yours. In a situation whereby you want to search something else, let's search for Amazon KDP. That is also a product on how to make money. There are several products on how to make money. In fact, there are several niches that are very hot. So you don't want to limit yourself to the make money online niche. You can also go ahead and search for products in the health niche, in the sex niche, in the travel niche. Literally, I just told you the hot niches that are in the industry. We have the sex niche, the make money online niche, we have the travel niche, the relationship niche, and I think health niche or thereabout. So basically, if I'm to search for Amazon KDP, which is another product on how to make money, so I just search for Amazon KDP, Amazon KDP. So you get to see the results it will bring for us this time around. This is also 30 days, and let's see what we have here. So you can see it shows that these things are trending. If it's not trending, guys, it will all be below 25, 25, 25. Can you see? This is 25, 50, 75, 100. You can see this is above 50. It means it is trending. Do you understand, guys? So any product you wish to search for, you can search for any product, okay? Just ensure you come here and use this tool to discover if it's really trending, okay? So now once you've identified what is trending and now you know that, okay, this is what I want to focus on, this is the niche I want to focus on. So the next thing you want to do is you want to identify a product you can sell, okay? Is either you create a product on your own and sell or you become an affiliate of a platform. So creating a product can take some time, and if you are a complete newbie, you might have some challenges creating your own product. But then the easy way to go about it is you becoming an affiliate of a platform so that you can get other people's products and sell and get a commission. So for you to go into this, you need to sign up on a platform called Stakeout. You can either use Stakeout or you can use Selar.co. So for you to sign up on Stakeout, you simply go to your browser and search for app affiliate.stakeout.com. So once you search for that, then this will load up for you. Then you get to sign up on this platform. So you can see I already have an account on this platform. So I'll simply log in. For your own case, you just have to like sign up. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'll just log in and show you how to access the marketplace and choose a product for yourself that you can promote. So this is the platform right here, and you can see the interface. So I don't really use this platform much. So once you're on this interface, so you can simply come to where we have marketplace and you open it, then you get to see several products regarding what you choose. So you can see regarding affiliate marketing, we have several products right here that are trending. In fact, these are the products of the day on this platform. And we have one that looks like how to relocate to Indonesia. Do people really go to Indonesia? Well, I don't know. So just choose a product right here pertaining to what niche you've identified for yourself, because there are several products right here that talks about affiliate marketing. And if you are into Amazon KDP, or probably you decide to go for e-commerce or freelancing, any products you choose to sell, you will definitely see a product here that talks about that particular niche. So once you're done choosing a product for yourself, so what you do is just go ahead and click on promote. So once you click on promote, then they'll bring out an affiliate link for you, which you have to copy and go and paste it on your notepad so that you can use it in the future to make sales. So right here, you can see this is our link here. I'll just click on copy link. Once I copy this link, I'll go and save it on my notepad so that I can use it to make sales in subsequent time. And you can see anytime you make a sale, you get a commission of 60%. And this is the price of the course. The cost is $15. It means if you make a sale, you'll be getting around, let's say, is it $8 or thereabout. Or better still, you can make use of Selar. Selar is another great platform where you can access products you can sell. So for you to make use of Selar, you simply go to selar.co. Selar.co. So right here, you need to pay 3,000 naira to access the marketplace so that you can see digital products you can sell for yourself. In a situation whereby you don't have money to access the marketplace, you can just send me a DM through the link in the comment section and ask me to give you access to a product you can sell to start making money for yourself. So right here, you just click on start selling. Once you click on start selling, then it will bring out an interface for you to fill in your information and create an account for yourself. So once you create your account, this is the platform where I made the 25,000 naira. So you can see, I'll click on login and you get to see my dashboard. So once you create your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Right now, I'm currently on the creator's profile, so I'll just switch to the affiliate profile. So once I go to the affiliate profile, this is what it will look like. You can see right here, they say you don't have any affiliate link yet. So for you, this is what your profile will look like. You won't have any affiliate link. So just simply go to access affiliate marketplace. Right here is where you get to pay the 3,000 naira and you get to access the marketplace and also get to access several products you can sell and make commission. And like I said, if you don't have the 3,000 naira to pay for the marketplace, you can just simply send me a DM through the link in the description, or better still, you can make use of StakeCut to do your marketing activities. Once you're done choosing your product and getting your affiliate link, so the next thing you want to do now is you want to go to Instagram and create an account for yourself. So I believe you already have an account on Instagram, but if you don't have an account on Instagram, just go ahead and create one for yourself. It's pretty simple. So me, I've created my own and this is my account right here. You can see in the last 30 days, I've been trying to grow my account. So once you're done creating your account, the next thing you want to do now is you want to start creating content pertaining to what you chose. Do you understand? Pertaining to the product you chose. So in our own situation, we chose affiliate marketing, and if you chose Amazon KDP, anything you choose, that will determine what you search right here. So we just go to the search bar and search for affiliate marketing. So once you search for that using your laptop or your phone, you get to see several accounts of other people that are doing what you are doing. So what you want to do is you want to check these accounts, these people accounts, and see how they are posting their stuff. So I'll get to check this lady's accounts, Affiliate Marketing Up. So you can see she has about 363 followers and she's following 41. Let's see if she's active. You get to check if she's active. She's active, but I won't really say this is the kind of content I would like to post on my profile. So you want to identify content that you feel that if people see it, they'll get glued to your page. So I'll simply go back to the search button and check out for other people's profile. So let me just check this guy's profile. You can see Afflio Lab. Wow, this guy has about 185,000 followers. It means this guy is a top affiliate. So it means whatever he's doing is working for him. So you can see these are the kind of content you want to try to post for yourself. You want to try to recreate this kind of content for yourself because it's obviously working for this guy. It's very simple to make money online. Just do what other people are doing and you make money online. Don't just try to start doing things afresh from your own point of view. Do what other people are doing and you make money online. So once you identify the kind of content you want to start posting, then you start posting those content on your profile. So the good thing is once you post good content that have a catchy hook, people will get hooked to your profile. They will always want to check your profile. And in the process of that, they want to send you a DM. Do you understand? They want to send you a DM. So once they send you a DM to make inquiry about what you are talking about in your video or in your post, from there you try to like pitch your product to them and you make a sale. It's just that simple, guys. It's just that simple. So the key thing here is to ensure you are consistent when you start posting on Instagram. Ensure you are consistent, ensure you post every day, at least one post per day. And also you want to ensure that you provide value in your post. Don't just post random posts like the previous page we saw. You can see she just posted only testimonies, only screenshot of her dashboard or whatever dashboard that is, I don't know. But you can see this post, it talks about value. You can see right here, if you click on this, I believe this should talk about how you can learn affiliate marketing. And if you click on this, you can see you tried all side hustle and you are still broke. You can see this, they say don't use Etsy to sell digital products. So just ensure you are providing value. Just ensure you are providing value. That was just very simple. Just like my own profile right here, you can see I tried my possible best to provide value. Over here, I talked about the don'ts of affiliate marketing. I talked about how you can train your Instagram to show content to your target audience. So once you start posting content, ensure you are also using call to action that will make people interested in your post. When I say call to action, it simply means asking people to comment if they are interested in learning from you. So once you just post something, keep a caption there that says comment if you are really interested in learning affiliate marketing. So those that are interested, you get to comment, then you get to DM them and you get to explain what your business is all about to them. And in the process of that, some of them will buy, and those that does not buy, you just get to follow up on them. Another tip I'll be giving is that you want to ensure you know your products. You want to ensure you know your products because once you start posting content on Instagram, people will definitely come to your DM to ask you questions about what you're posting. So if you don't know your products, at that point you'll not be able to answer their questions. But once you know your products, you'll be able to answer their question professionally and like an expert. That way they'll get to believe you and instantly buy from you. So basically that is how you get to make money on affiliate marketing. And that was how I was able to make money on affiliate marketing. So I guess you saw my earning screenshots and the earning proof. So I believe you got value from this video and I believe you try this simple trick I just showed you guys. It's very simple, just very simple. You just need to be dedicated and be ready to put in some effort. That's all it takes. So I believe in the next 1 month, you should be able to make one or two sales for yourself. Imagine you say a product that is $20 and you're getting a commission of $10. Imagine you make 10 sales in a month, that is $100. Very simple. If you got value from this video, ensure to hit on the subscribe button and also ensure to like this video and share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy this video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.